Okay, this is a quick video to show you. I have a G-Pad X10.1 and it's currently locked. So press the power button, it goes into enter pin to unlock, and I do not know the pin. So first thing, make sure it's fully charged or you have enough charge. So I just did that earlier. I got about 50% charged it off my laptop. So what we're gonna do, it's a hard reset, and this hard reset works by holding volume down and power at the same time. But here's the trick, make sure it's not plugged when you do this. If you do it while the power is on, it will not work. So take the power off and then go ahead and hold the power and volume down. Hold it down until it goes into the restart. There you go, it's restarting right now. I'm gonna keep holding it. When I see the logo, I let go of the power and hold it again. And now it should go into the mode that I needed. If it goes over, you just repeat. Always keep the volume down and keep holding the power button until you get it. Bam. See that? Got it. And that's where I wanted to be. And right now I'm going to use the volume up and down to go to yes, no. So I just pick yes. You want a factory reset. So erase all user data. I'm going to press power to say okay. And I'm going to pick yes again to get started. There you go. So it's going to go ahead, reset everything, go back to factory, and there you have it.